I think one of the most important parts of building public trust is to have an educated public. A public that when they see numbers, they understand what numbers mean and how to interpret them correctly. And I don't think that starts today or tomorrow. That starts when, for example, within schools. One of the things that I, personally advocate, and I know other epidemiologists and biostatisticians advocate, is actually bringing statistical understanding at the same time as we are teaching children arithmetics, to kind of bring in the elements of statistical thinking. Because what is statistics? It's the study of uncertainty. So there's an educational foundation that as a society we need to have to be able to become really comfortable. Because if you don't have that, then someone comes and tells you things, these numbers and these uncertainties associated with them, and you're like, I don't know what that means. Just tell me what's true and what's false. Then that's going to be extremely challenging. A second important factor is in building public trust. And we've had a history of studies that were done that were not necessarily ethical, like the Tuskegee experiment, right? That broke down the trust between scientists, between epidemiologists and the public. And in recent years, we've began to bridge those ties. And by we, a lot of people that are actually doing this are people from communities that were affected by those studies. So the bringing people from communities that were affected previously, that have good reason to be distrustful of our science and our fields, is really essential to rebuilding the trust that was lost for very, very good reasons.